nagpaguran.
Good evening, SM Mega Mall. Handa na ba kayong kiligin tonight? Kaunting hintay na lang and I'm pretty sure mapupuyat kayo tonight dahil ito lang ang iisipin nyo buong gabi. So enjoy the film, everyone.
Good evening, everyone! We're so excited for you guys to see the film. Thank you for coming out on a Tuesday night. Yay!
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I'm Yuki Takahashi. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa palabas na to at grabe, sobrang galing ng JM Fiang at sana kiligin kayo!
Good evening, everyone. Una sa lahat, congratulations, JM Fiang.
The perfect cancel! That's the news!
Maraming salamat at congratulations sa lahat ng bumuo ng Emotions.
At eto na po, please welcome, JM Fiang!
Ayan, excited na ba lahat? Ayan guys, thank you sa paglalaan ng oras. And syempre, huwag niyong kakalimutan. After ng film, ipalaganan po natin ang magandang balita. Di ba?
Diyan ang pamilya mo, JM!
Ayun, nahiya na ako. Wala na.
And of course, I know, si Daddy Joshua.
Shoutout sa nanay at tatay ko dyan! Kung nasan man kayo lupalog na upuan. Sana pagka napanood nyo, close your eyes. Especially sa tatay ko, please close your eyes. Thank you for understanding. Sana po magustuhan nyo.
And of course, go ahead,
Direct
introduce.
Dan Villegas.
Salamat po sa pagpunta to show ko tomorrow, almost us. Shoutout na sa staff ko.
Correct! Andyan sila direct.
Salamat po.
Alright guys, palagpan natin Almost Us cast and our Regal Executive Direct Dan as well. Thank you guys so much for joining us here and we can't wait to see the film.
Okay, we'd like to request now the cast, the producers to please occupy your seats upstairs na as we...
One quick photo muna tayo here in the middle.
Ay, hindi pa ba nagpo-photo ako nung lagay na yun? Charot. Ayan, sorry Mr. Sel, we have to... Ayan. From left to right, JP Abeliera, Rosel Monteverde, Keith Monteverde, Lotot Monteverde, Charot Monteverde, Bustamante, Baus Ruto, Dan Villegas, JM Fiang, The Perfect Cancel, Just Dustin Nilo, and of course Sam, Samarita, and the very promising Yuki Takahashi. We're missing JM Salvado ngayon, but he's so good. Okay.
Us for the opening prayer.
Okay, I'd like to thank for supporting Bianca De Vera. Thank you so much for coming, B. Thank you, Bianca, for supporting.
Habang pinapanood nyo ang Almost Us. And later on, we invite everyone to share their thoughts as we have interviews waiting for you.
Yan from the bottom of our hearts, the Regal Entertainment, the Project 8 Projects, the fans of JM Fiang. Maraming salamat po talaga sa support ninyo. Hindi ito mangyayari without your support. Thank you so much talaga sa love. Marcoleta, thank you. Ayun ko alam na si Jezreel, si Nathan, and of course si Lena Ford nandito. Nakita sila. Fred Moser! Hindi ko sa nandito na yan. Dito sa I think we are ready for the prayer, no? Ready naman?
Everyone, once again, please settle down in your seats as we'll start the prayer again. Please settle down now in your seats as we will start the prayer.
And thank you for the live report ng activity ng TV sa show. Natuloy na, ayan.
Yes.
Nota, malalas.
Wala sila sa sino ng mga natugap-nagap na dito. Hindi nakapasok.
Ganda niya.
Sige.
Love
Vicky,
it.
we're doing it cute. We're ready for the prayer.
Sinasabi.
Ang harsh kasi ng ilaw, wala na talaga makakita.
Yes. Parang nagka-concert po tayo dito sa loob.
Dito, SB90, BGY, TV. Ayan. Request na rin pa ng mga TV crew. Pwede na pong i-vacate ang sinihan. And lastly, our media friends, thank you so much for the support and love.